Imagine waking up to a golden sunrise on a quiet lakeside. You slide open the side door of your motorhome, take a deep breath of crisp morning air, and pour yourself a hot cup of coffee, all while sitting in your cozy mobile living room. Now picture this: everything around you, from the soft LED lighting to the plush seating and elegant wooden finish, feels like a boutique hotel, yet you're parked wherever your heart desires. That's the lifestyle the 2026 Pilote V630J Evidence promises, freedom wrapped in luxury. A camper van that doesn't just take you places, it transforms every destination into your personal home. So, buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into one of the most beautiful, thoughtfully designed luxury camper vans of 2026. At first glance, the Pilote V630J Evidence looks sleek, compact, and athletic, a perfect example of how European craftsmanship can turn simplicity into sophistication. Built on the trusted Fiat Ducato chassis, it combines road stability with modern aerodynamics. The body lines are smooth and minimal, giving it that modern luxury appeal. The subtle Pilote badging, the black tinted windows, and the glossy finish give it a premium stance, something you instantly notice even before stepping inside. You can tell it's designed not just for camping, but for traveling in style. The 2026 model also introduces upgraded LED headlamps, lightweight alloy wheels, and a streamlined roof profile for better fuel efficiency, perfect for long scenic drives across Europe or the open highways of America. Even the side awning and integrated step feel premium, small details, big impression. Step through the side door, and suddenly, you forget you're inside a van. The Pilote V630J Evidence welcomes you with a bright, open interior, a space where minimalism meets comfort. Every surface feels soft, every corner thoughtfully crafted. You're greeted by a two-tone interior palette, warm beige mixed with gray accents, that gives the cabin a soothing, home-like atmosphere. Soft ambient lighting runs along the ceiling edges, creating that cozy evening glow you'd expect from a designer apartment. Now, let's start from the front. The swivel captain chairs instantly make the cabin feel social. Rotate them toward the table, and you've got yourself a compact lounge perfect for morning breakfast, laptop work, or evening conversations. Above, clever overhead lockers store your essentials while maintaining a clean, uncluttered look. Moving toward the center, you enter the kitchen, small, yes, but packed with intelligent design. The kitchen block features a 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a surprisingly spacious 85-liter refrigerator. The countertop extends for extra space, and there's enough storage for cookware, utensils, and even a mini espresso machine for those early mornings. The materials feel high-end, matte finishes, smooth edges, soft closed drawers, every movement feels premium. Across the kitchen, you'll find the compact bathroom, which is one of the highlights of this van. Yes, it's small, but Pilote knows how to make every inch count. The bathroom features a clever rotating wall system, which separates the shower and toilet area effortlessly. One quick turn, and you go from a washroom to a fully enclosed shower cabin. High-quality fittings, a full mirror, LED lighting, and waterproof surfaces give it that luxury hotel vibe. You don't feel cramped, you feel cared for. It's details like these that make the V630J Evidence truly special. At the rear, the twin single beds can convert into a full double bed, perfect for couples or solo travelers who want flexibility. Each bed has individual reading lamps, USB ports, and hidden storage underneath. Above, you'll find plenty of lockers, and below, a large garage space big enough for bikes, camping chairs, or travel gear. And here's something that many travelers love: the insulation. The V630J Evidence uses Pilote's latest Isotech insulation system, which means your van stays cozy in winter and comfortably cool in summer. It's the kind of thoughtful engineering that quietly enhances every journey. Under the hood, you get the Fiat Ducato 2.2L Multijet 3 engine, delivering power with impressive fuel efficiency. The 9-speed automatic transmission makes driving effortless, even on mountain roads. Pilote has also integrated smart driving assists, lane keep, adaptive cruise, and a 360-degree reversing camera. Inside, a touchscreen infotainment system keeps you connected, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Everything is intuitive, from lighting controls to heating settings, all managed through the central control panel. It's modern convenience without complication. But here's where the 2026 Pilote V630J Evidence really shines. It's not just about features, it's about freedom. This camper van invites you to live differently, to escape the noise, follow your curiosity, and build a life full of spontaneous adventures. You can park by the beach and listen to the waves, drive into the mountains and watch the stars from your bed, or simply take a weekend off-grid, knowing your little home has everything you need. Every moment feels intentional. Every trip feels personal. That's the Pilote lifestyle, travel without compromise. Now, you might be thinking, what makes the V630J Evidence different from other compact campers? Let's put it in perspective. Compared to models like the Adria Twin Supreme or the Heimer Free 600, the the Pilote V630J Evidence offers a more balanced mix of comfort, design, and practicality. It's slightly smaller, making it easier to drive in cities, yet it feels every bit as luxurious inside. Pilote also focuses heavily on insulation and durability, areas where some rivals cut corners. And perhaps the most impressive part, the craftsmanship. Every stitch, hinge, and panel fits perfectly. It feels built to last, not just to impress. It's not about being the biggest or flashiest camper, it's about being beautifully balanced. So, what do you think about the new 2026 Pilote V630J Evidence? Would you choose this sleek and compact luxury camper for your next adventure, or do you prefer something larger like a full motorhome? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know which camper van style fits your dream lifestyle best. At the end of the day, the Pilote V630J Evidence isn't just about travel, it's about freedom without limits. It's about waking up to new views, chasing sunsets, and having a little piece of luxury no matter where the road takes you. If you've ever dreamed of living a life of adventure without sacrificing comfort or style, this camper van might just be your ticket. So, if you enjoyed this tour, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your travel-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming luxury RV and motorhome reviews, because here, we don't just review vehicles, we explore the lifestyle they inspire. Until next time, keep traveling, keep dreaming, and stay inspired.